Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best dry hands treatment is probably one of the most sought-after solutions for women experiencing discomfort, cracking, and irritation due to persistent dryness. And in today's video, we're diving deep into the top-rated products designed to bring immediate relief and long-lasting hydration, ensuring your hands feel soft, smooth, and revitalized, no matter the external conditions or your daily activities. Number 5. Carpe Sweat-Absorbing Hand Lotion. Are your hands constantly feeling sweaty and uncomfortable? It's time to find a solution that offers lasting relief and comfort. Discover a dermatologist-recommended lotion designed to effectively absorb sweat. It provides a smooth, comfortable feel without the stickiness. If you struggle with excessive hand sweating, this is the product for you. It's formulated to help manage hyperhidrosis with ease. Experience the confidence of dry, comfortable hands throughout your day. Its unique formula works to keep your palms sweat-free. Enjoy the refreshing scent of original eucalyptus as it soothes your skin. It's a pleasant and effective way to manage hand sweat. What we like? Tired of sweaty palms? This lotion is your secret weapon. It's designed to actively absorb sweat, keeping your hands dry and comfortable all day long. If you struggle with excessive hand sweat or hyperhidrosis, this is the solution you've been searching for to regain confidence and control. What people say. This product is a game changer for anyone struggling with dry hands. It absorbs quickly and doesn't leave a greasy residue. My hands feel noticeably softer and smoother after just a few uses. Number 4. Cottonnerie Original Cotton Gloves, Medium. Are your hands feeling dry and rough? Our soft cotton gloves are designed to provide gentle care and comfort, especially while you sleep. Simply apply your favorite lotion before bed and slip on these gloves. They help lock in moisture, transforming your skin overnight. Made from breathable cotton, these gloves are comfortable to wear all night long. They ensure your skin receives the hydration it needs without irritation. These gloves are not just effective, but also reusable. Enjoy the benefits of soft, moisturized hands night after night with this durable pair. Designed in a medium size, they offer a snug yet comfortable fit for most. Experience the difference they make for your dry hands. Incorporate these into your nightly routine for an enhanced moisturizing effect. Wake up to noticeably softer and smoother hands every morning. What we like? Wake up to softer hands with these overnight gloves. Made from breathable cotton, they lock in moisture while you sleep, ensuring deep hydration. If you have dry, rough hands and want a simple, effective way to achieve a silky smooth feel by morning, these are perfect for you. What people say. Pair these gloves with La Roche-Posay Cicaplast hand cream and your hands will be healed in no time. I use these gloves every night while sleeping. Works great. Great for making cracked fingers better with lotion overnight. These gloves are extremely soft and very well constructed. They are moderate thickness, not the thin cheap cotton. They work great. Number 3. Grocerism Urea Cream 40% plus Salicylic Acid. Introducing our maximum strength cream, designed for both your feet and hands. It provides deep moisturization and effective treatment for rough skin. Formulated with 40% urea, this cream delivers intense hydration to combat dryness and flakiness. Experience unparalleled softness and comfort. Featuring 2% salicylic acid, it works to gently exfoliate and remove calluses. Reveal smoother, healthier-looking skin with regular use. Infused with hyaluronic acid, tea tree oil, and aloe vera, it soothes and nourishes your skin. These ingredients work together for optimal skin health. This powerful formula deeply moisturizes and helps repair cracked skin. It's the perfect solution for revitalizing tired hands and feet. Say goodbye to dry, calloused skin. Our cream offers a comprehensive solution for achieving soft, smooth, and comfortable skin all over. What we like? For seriously dry and rough skin, this cream is a game changer. Its maximum strength formula with urea and salicylic acid tackles calluses and deeply moisturizes. If you're dealing with stubborn dry patches, cracked heels, or rough hands that need intensive repair, this powerful cream is your go-to. What people say. The Grocerism Urea Cream 40% completely changed that. Within a few days, I could actually feel the difference. My heels were smoother, the rough patches were fading, and my feet look like they just had a professional pedicure. The texture of the cream is thick but not greasy, which makes it feel genuinely luxurious when you apply it. It absorbs quickly, leaving your skin hydrated without that slippery residue that so many creams leave behind. Works fast and great on very dry skin. Recommended by my dermatologist. Number 2. Epielle Intensive Repairing Hand Mask. Give your hands the pampering they deserve. Our intensive repairing hand mask is designed to deeply moisturize and soften your skin. Infused with nourishing coconut oil and milk extract, these gloves work to transform dry, rough skin. Experience a spa-like treatment in the comfort of your home. These self-care gloves provide deep moisturizing benefits, leaving your hands feeling incredibly soft and smooth. It's the perfect way to rejuvenate tired hands. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This hand mask set makes an ideal present for women, perfect for birthdays, holidays, or just because. Enjoy a luxurious spa experience without leaving your house. This kit offers a simple yet effective way to achieve softer, healthier-looking hands. Specifically formulated for dry and rough skin, our hand mask provides intense hydration. It helps to restore suppleness and a smooth texture to your hands. What we like? Indulge in a spa-like treatment at home with this repairing hand mask. Infused with coconut oil and milk extract, it deeply moisturizes and softens. If you're looking for a luxurious way to pamper your hands, combat dryness, and achieve a smooth, supple feel, this mask is an excellent choice for self-care. What people say. My hands feel instantly soft and deeply moisturized, and the coconut oil and milk extract leave a lovely, nourishing scent. They come apart easily and require no extra steps to get them open or stay on. The moisture actually stays inside and there is no leaking, so I can use them while reading a paper book. The results were more younger-looking and hydrated skin. Gentle ingredients, light scent, well-packaged and easy to use. Number 1. NatraCure Moisturizing Gel Gloves. Are you tired of dry, cracked skin on your hands? Our moisturizing gel gloves are designed to provide intense hydration and relief. They help to soften and repair your skin, leaving your hands feeling smooth and comfortable. As hands age, they can show signs of dryness and wrinkles. These gloves work to deeply moisturize and rejuvenate your skin. Use them regularly to combat the effects of aging and restore a youthful appearance to your hands. Don't forget your cuticles. Our gel gloves deliver essential moisture directly to your cuticles and nails. This helps to prevent dryness and promote healthier-looking hands overall. If you suffer from eczema, you know how important consistent moisture is. These gloves provide a soothing and hydrating treatment for eczema-prone skin. They help to calm irritation and prevent flare-ups. Boost the effectiveness of your favorite lotions and creams. Simply apply your preferred moisturizer before wearing these gloves. The gel lining helps to lock in moisture, allowing for deeper penetration and better results. Looking for a more comfortable way to moisturize overnight? These gloves offer a convenient and effective alternative to traditional sleeping gloves. Wear them while you relax or sleep for continuous hydration. What we like? Experience continuous hydration with these innovative gel gloves. The special gel lining releases nourishing oils and vitamins to deeply moisturize dry, cracked skin. If you need a comfortable, reusable alternative to lotions and creams for treating aging hands, eczema, or post-wash dryness, these offer lasting relief and softness. What people say. After putting hand lotion on and putting these gloves on for 10 to 15 minutes, there's a noticeable difference in the moisture level and appearance of my hands. After the first night wearing them, my heels were noticeably softer and hurt less. After 3 nights, the pain from the cracks was gone and they were visibly healing. They have a nice gel lining which will help the moisturizer do its thing. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.